On the conveyor belt, sand is dropped. On the conveyor belt. At airports, you might have seen conveyor belt which carries the luggage. Conveyor belt. To keep it moving, the belt is dropped at the rate of mkg per second. The force necessary to keep the belt moving with constant velocity of v will be how much? What is force? Rate of change of momentum. Force is rate of change of momentum. Momentum means mass into velocity upon time, because initially it is at rest and then falls here. So mass into velocity upon time. Mass upon time is given m and velocity is v. So answer is mv Newton. Hello? mv Newton is the answer.
Yes.
Now I think 1 to 30 is totally cleared, correct? This, okay. Last class we started with ammeter and we did we have written till this. I'm explaining again. Ammeter. Modified form of moving coil galvanometer is called as ammeter. Modified form of moving coil galvanometer used to measure electric current is called as ammeter. First write this much if you have not written.
Sir,
No, in one batch I think I have not written. In second batch.
Sir, in our batch.
Modified form of moving coil galvanometer used to measure electric current is called as ammeter. To measure electric current, ammeter is connected in series with external circuit.
Sir,
Yes.
that formula for sensitivity was also not derived in our batch.
Okay, and that will take 2 minutes. I'm deriving.
Okay.
Okay, written till this. To measure electric current, ammeter must be connected in series with external resistance.
Yes.
अब मैं थोड़ा मैं इसका लिखा देता हूँ आंसर, फिर एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. If
Okay, sir.
the resistance of ammeter is very large, then resistance of circuit will increase. Hence, current will decrease. But current should remain unchanged. Hence, just complete till this, then I'm clearing and writing further. Hence, resistance of ammeter must be as small as possible. For ideal ammeter, it should be 0. So practically not possible to make 0, but idealistic, yes, for ideal ammeter, it should be 0. For ideal ammeter, it should be 0. Also, for small current, meaning I'm explaining, I just write down. Also, for small current, ammeter may give full scale deflection. Hence, its range must be increased. Hence, its range must be increased. That means its resistance must be kept small and its range must be such that it can measure large current. Its range must be increased. Both these purposes are served by connecting low value shunt resistance in parallel with galvanometer. So by connecting low value shunt resistance in parallel with galvanometer. Once you have completed this, then I will explain you why it should be kept as small as possible. Then we'll derive formula. Except sensitivity, everything is done for both the batches. Shall I clear it now?
So it should be parallel with ammeter, right?
See, whatever it was at the start, it can be ammeter, it can be galvanometer, it can be voltmeter. When you are converting into ammeter, it should be connected with parallel with that device. So if you write parallel with ammeter, parallel with galvanometer, voltmeter, all are correct.
Okay, got it.
Means whatever it was at the start, you are converting now. So
Yes, sir.
sometimes we have to convert moving coil to ammeter, or sometimes ammeter to new ammeter. Shall I clear this now? Nobody's answering. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I clear it? Pathan?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. See. अभी मतलब क्या है इसका देखो. This is suppose resistance. Last class I did 10 ohm. And here I have what one battery of 10 volt. How much current it will pass through the circuit? 1 ampere. So easy, na? R is V upon I. 10 upon 10, 1 ampere. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Now ammeter must be connected in series. This is the ammeter connected in series. Agar iska resistance is very large, I gave example 9990 because it is easy to add. So total resistance of circuit will be 10 plus 9990. Na? That means it will become 10,000. Now current flowing through circuit will be 10 upon 10,000. That means it will be 10 raised to minus 3 ampere, which is 1 milliampere. Clear?
Yes.
पहला कितना था before connection? 1 ना?
1.
And after connecting कितना record कर रहा है वो? 1 milliampere.
1
मतलब
million.
it become faulty device or not? That means suppose I have a thermometer. ऐसा normal देखा तो it is recording 30 degree. जैसे मेरे मुंह के अंदर रखा वो record कर रहा है 20, तो गलत हो गया ना device.
Yes.
So that means this is faulty. Who made to give the faulty reading? This culprit resistance. If this you want to reduce, then we know in parallel resultant is lesser than least or not. Have you heard this? When two resistors are in parallel, result is lesser than least. So if I connect 0.01 ohm in parallel, इसको shunt बोलते हैं. So now effective resistance R will become this 10 plus something less than 0.01 or not.
Yes, sir.
So this is
Yes.
close to 10. So I will be voltage 10, resistance 10. So close to 1 ampere. So my record will be perfect, close to 1. Clear?
Yes.
So that means resistance must be kept as small as possible, ideally 0. Suppose ये device है, ammeter. It can record 10 ampere. इससे ज्यादा करेंगे तो इसका जो डिफ्लेक्शन है ना वो इसके बाहर चला जाता है. तो इफ आई वांट टू रिकॉर्ड 12 तो एक्स्ट्रा वाले को बाईपास करना पड़ेगा ना, ऐसा है ना.
Yes, sir.
तो 2 एम्पियर इधर बाईपास होया, फिर बाद में इधर ये 12 हो जाएगा. अभी इसको मैं इधर कैलिब्रेट करता हूं स्केल 0 to 12 मापने वाला. तो इट कैन रिकॉर्ड करेक्ट और नॉट, मींस लार्जर और नॉट, by
Yes.
putting this 2 ampere का diversion or bypass. Have you heard about bypass surgery? डॉक्टर बाईपास करता है.
Yes, sir.
तो क्या करता है वो बाईपास? इधर क्लॉट हुआ रहेगा ना किसी का आर्टरीज, तो यहां से वो पंक्चर कर देता है बिफोर एंड आफ्टर दैट क्लॉट, एंड देन ही पुट्स वेन हियर, लूपिंग के जैसा लूप कर देता है. बॉडी से वेन निकालता है, ग्राफ्ट करता है. ये ब्लड अभी इधर से जाएगा ऐसा, तो आदमी को इतना अटैक का चांस ड्यू टू हाई ब्लड प्रेशर विल बी प्रिवेंटेड ना.
Yes, sir.
अगर इतना इजी रहता तो कोई भी कर सकता था, क्या नहीं? अगर सेम साइज का नहीं मिला वेन और ज्यादा पंक्चर हो गया तो ब्लड हेमरेज होएगा, इधर से ब्लड ऊज होएगा. अगर ब्लड यूज हो गया मतलब चांस है ना आदमी टपक जाएगा फिर से। क्या डॉक्टर फिर एमसील लगा देगा इधर?
No, sir.
एमसील लगा के चिपकता नहीं है ये। दैट मीन्स आई हैव टू बाईपास बट विथ प्रॉपर वन। बाईपास आई हैव टू डू टू बट आई हैव टेकन रेजिस्टेंस, इट इज बाईपासिंग ओनली वन, तो फिर से वन डेंजर है ना, इसको तोड़ सकता है ना, वो तोड़ सकता है मतलब हीट होएगा ना, आई बढ़ेगा तो।
Yes, sir.
So that's why we have to do two things, make the resistance small and increase the range. तो इधर में अगर लो वैल्यू रेजिस्टेंस लगाया तो ये एक्स्ट्रा करंट को अपना पाथ पे ले लेगा और ये इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस भी कम होएगा। बट वंस यू हैव डिसाइडेड टू मेजर सपोज 20 एम्पियर, देन यू कांट मेजर 21, कम कर सकते, ज्यादा नहीं हो सकता। ओके, बिकॉज ज्यादा करने के लिए फिर से मॉडिफिकेशन करना पड़ेगा। So everybody followed what shunt is doing?
Yes.
Now I'm deriving formula for shunt to measure current I. Derive necessary formula for shunt. Derive necessary formula for shunt. This is one galvanometer. It can be ammeter also, but we assume it is galvanometer of resistance G. Having full scale deflection current Ig. Full scale deflection current means with Ig, deflection will be full on this dial, idhar tak aa jayega. So consider a galvanometer of resistance G having full scale deflection current Ig. Let S be the shunt required to measure current I. Hence I minus Ig should flow through shunt. I minus Ig should flow through shunt, so that this I minus Ig and Ig will again become I, and our galvanometer whose resistance is G is not overheated. ज्यादा करंट जाएगा तो ओवरहीट हो जाएगा ना, हीट होएगा तो मेल्ट होएगा। So this becomes our new apparatus, which is modified form of moving coil galvanometer used to measure current I by shunting. Diagram followed?
Yes.
Just draw this much. See, I think work given to you is like less na this week. 2 घंटे के पहले हो रहा है क्या काम? हेलो हेलो अवन,
Yes, sir.
your work is getting completed before 2 hours?
No.
No, because if it is getting completed very fast, tell me so that I can increase your load. Pranjali, Isha, Neha, Arya, are you completing the work very early?
No, sir.
बराबर टाइम है ना? अगर अर्ली भी हो गया ना, प्लीज सर्च द क्वेश्चंस. इफ यू डोंट हैव, कॉल मी कि सर we have time but we don't have questions, or sometimes I don't respond, then same again revise. So is it happening that you have got time and you don't have material?
No, sir.
No,
Please tell me if you have faced that type of difficulty, because एक
Yes.
बार आदत लग गया ना आराम करने का, तो again it will take 5-6 days to come back to the original momentum. Hello Vaishnavi,
yes, sir.
what you did in yesterday and day before yesterday, what work you did
Yesterday I solved 30 MCQs.
of law of motion, and Monday what you did?
MCG practice 2 times.
MCQ, and that theory which I told practice 2
MCG,
times.
yes, MCG theory.
Tell me the formula for current through moving coil galvanometer. I'm not asking full theory, I'm asking only formula for current through moving coil galvanometer. I equals to K upon
Okay.
NAB into theta. What is formula?
Theta.
I
I
equal to
equal to K upon NAB theta.
into theta. See, all of you be careful. See, every student is, I know, talented. But if it is not polished properly, somebody will get more mark and somebody will get less. But you all are equally intelligent. Best part, you all are hard worker. Forget about the intelligence. But don't cheat yourself. Still, I have doubt in my mind. Some students are not authentically writing the paper. But I cannot reveal the name unless until I am 100% confident. But my intuition is there. So I've just given indirect hint. Please don't cheat yourself for during exam. Let the mark be 0. You check your capability and your hard work, your effort. If you're cheating means you will not be able to check your, you cannot judge yourself. And stick to the planner. In case you feel work has been reduced or you are able to complete faster, please inform me. Individually also you can say, sir मेरा काम हो गया, कुछ नया क्वेश्चन है क्या आपके पास? I will try to send. Yes, completed?
Yes.
Okay. Shall I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Consider a galvanometer of resistance capital G to give full scale deflection with current Ig. Let S be shunt required to measure current I. Hence, I minus Ig will flow through shunt. Since galvanometer and shunt are parallel, since galvanometer and shunt are parallel, therefore voltage across galvanometer Vg is voltage across shunt. Voltage means current into resistance. Current into resistance. Therefore, Ig from this S equals to Ig into G upon I minus Ig. Using above formula, value of shunt can be determined. Using above formula, value of shunt can be determined. This is full ammeter if they ask for 3 marks. Explain what modification is required and necessary formula. Then full you will write.
Done, sir.
Note. Note for numericals. We got S equals to Ig into G upon I minus Ig. If I divide numerator and denominator by Ig, then I will get S equals to G upon I upon Ig minus 1. I means current to be measured. Ig was starting current. This we denote as N. So S equal to G upon N minus 1. That means if they want shunt and IIG given, you get N and substitute. So S can be also written as G upon N minus 1, where N is total current upon current at the start. Just write first note. I am interested in a second wala notes. 1 minute समझा ही देता हूँ, then you start. Since S is Ig into G upon I minus Ig, so when you multiply, it will become Si minus Sig equal to Ig into G. Therefore, Si is Sig plus Ig into G. So I can say Si is Ig common inside S plus G. So S upon S plus G is Ig upon I. I'll be using this formula again and again. Now you can write these two notes.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Now we'll see what is voltmeter, and then last part cyclotron. That will complete this chapter. One second. See. Voltmeter. Modified form of moving coil galvanometer used to measure potential difference is called as voltmeter. Modified form of moving coil galvanometer used to measure potential difference is called voltmeter. To measure potential difference, voltmeter is connected in parallel with external resistance. Okay. Just copy these two paragraphs.
Done, sir.
Now we'll see explanation, then we'll write. Same again, resistance 10 ohm connected across battery of 10 volt. What is current flowing through this circuit?
1 ampere.
1 ampere current will flow through the circuit. So can you tell what will be the potential drop across this AB? Potential drop across AB. Yes, say How much will be the potential drop?
Ten.
10 इतना टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए ना, बिकॉज करंट पूरा हो गया अपना. V equal to IR, I is 1, resistance 10. What will be voltage drop? 10 volt. 10 will remain 10 if current remains 1, na? Because resistance to fix hai. Current I can change by changing the voltage. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So if we connect voltmeter here in parallel, if its resistance is low, then it will divert more current in its path. Either कम current flow होएगा, maximum current will enter in its path. इसमें low current flow होएगा, correct ना?
Yes, sir.
So if this current across 10 becomes 0.9 or 0.8 or 0.7, then this voltage will become 9, 8, 7, 6, कम हो जाएगा ना? So what I should ensure that minimum current should get diverted in voltmeter. If that I can manage, then maximum current will flow here only and my potential reading will be same. That is possible if resistance is kept as high as possible. Because resistance high, current cannot move in its path. So to make resistance high, we require connection in series or we require connection in parallel.
Parallel.
Acha, to make resistance high, we require resistance in parallel. क्या कॉन्सेप्ट बोल रहे हो आप लोग? I want high resistance, so I require parallel combination. Don't make this type of blunder. Parallel में resistance becomes lesser than least, na?
Yes.
So you will connect in parallel to make it high.
Yes.
So this is suppose voltmeter resistance. इसका साथ में resistance series में चाहिए high value वाला. Ammeter में उल्टा था. Low value वाला resistance parallel में चाहिए. So I hope you followed now meaning कि resistance of voltmeter must be Y high. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, any student doubt in the concept? Again see, this was original resistance 10 volt था इधर. अगर इधर I connect a voltmeter and voltmeter diverts current in its path, तो इसका अंदर कम current जाएगा. कम current जाएगा तो कम voltage measure करेगा. तो ये करंट को मुझे कम करना है. उसके लिए इसके साथ रेजिस्टेंस हाई चाहिए ना. तो इसके दोनों मतलब ये पैरेलल है क्या सीरीज है ये दोनों कनेक्शन? Yes, parallel or series? Series. So whenever you have high value resistance connected in series with voltmeter resistance or galvanometer, you can measure large voltage or voltage without any error. So you wrote two paragraphs like this. To modified form of moving coil galvanometer used to measure potential difference is called voltmeter. To measure potential difference, voltmeter must be connected in parallel with external resistance. This much you have written. Next paragraph. If resistance of voltmeter is low, then maximum current will get diverted in voltmeter circuit, but current through resistance should remain unchanged. Hence, resistance of voltmeter must be as high as possible. Just copy this much. Ideally, it should be infinite. Copy please this much.
Done.
Also, for small potential, voltmeter may give full scale deflection. Hence, its range must be increased. The first we check that its resistance must be as high as possible. Second, अगर full scale deflection बहुत कम voltage के लिए दिया तो range भी बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. Must be increased. Both these purposes can be served by connecting high value resistance in series, high value resistance in series with galvanometer resistance or voltmeter, same one and the same. High value resistance in series with galvanometer resistance. See, voltmeter is modified form of galvanometer. तो इधर galvanometer लिखा, voltmeter लिखा, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. High value resistance in series with galvanometer resistance. Derive expression for necessary formula of series resistance. Necessary formula for series resistance. Yes, written.
Sir, just a minute.
Done, sir.
This is original device which has to be modified. So consider a galvanometer of resistance G having full scale deflection current as Ig and voltage V. To measure potential V, let R be the series resistance connected with galvanometer to record total voltage V. So galvanometer can carry Vg, extra VR is across volt series resistance. So together this is my new voltmeter which will record V. So this device after modification is called voltmeter. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Copy it. Copy the diagram. Let G be the galvanometer resistance having full scale deflection current Ig and voltage Vg. Let R be the series resistance required to measure voltage V. Yes, completed. Hello, completed.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes.
Okay. Sensitivity I have not proved in one batch.
Yes, sir.
I have defined sensitivity is nothing but ratio of change in
Yes.
current, that I have defined.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just 2 minutes give. Derive expression for sensitivity. So everybody will be at par then. Derive expression for sensitivity. For a moving coil galvanometer, I is K upon NAB into theta. But sensitivity is d theta upon di. So I'm taking derivative. In maths, we say differentiating I with respect to theta, we get di upon d theta equals to. This whole thing is constant, like 1x, 2x, 3x. So derivative will remain only this constant. So when you take invertendo, d theta upon di will be NAB upon K. that is sensitivity denoted by S will be NAB upon K. So this is formula for sensitivity. Thus, for maximum sensitivity, first number of turns denoted by N must be large. Area of cross section A must be large. Okay, copy 2 point. 2 more we will write after clearing the space. संतोष, एक मूविंग चार्ज का अपने पास शीट था, इसका नीट गाइड का था, उसमें अपन ने बाद में मिस्टेक्स रेक्टिफाई किए थे ना, वो वाला भेजो ना जरा। Completed?
Yes.
Two more factors we have to write. 2 we wrote. Number of turns large, area of cross section large. Third one. The field B must be strong. Fourth, the fiber constant K must be small. Then write heading cyclotron. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
This is last part of chapter we are doing now, called as cyclotron. First, what is cyclotron? We'll see. The cyclotron, as the name suggests, see cyclone जैसा ही. So here it will increase its radius with increasing velocity. ऐसा बढ़ता है. So indirectly kinetic energy will increase. We can increase kinetic energy. In Van de Graaff generator we got by voltage. In cyclotron by velocity. So cyclotron is a charged particle accelerator. What is cyclotron? If they say it is charged particle accelerator accelerating charged particles to high energy. It is charged particle accelerator accelerating charged particles to high energy. Write this much. Next line, both electric and magnetic fields are used in cyclotron. This they can ask you in 12th. Only electric field used, only magnetic field used, both the fields are used in cyclotron. These are applied perpendicular to each other. Hence, they are called as crossed fields. Crossed means perpendicular field. Both electric and magnetic field are applied used in cyclotron. These are perpendicular to each other and they are called as crossed field. And hence they are called as crossed fields. Written? Hello, written?
Yes.
So cyclotron is charged particle accelerating charged particle to high energy. Both electric and magnetic fields are used in cyclotron. These are applied perpendicular to each other. Hence they are called as cross field. How they are applied, I will explain in construction. Next line. The magnetic field, both important. मतलब मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या करेगा और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या करेगा. द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड पुट्स द पार्टिकल, that means those ions, into circular path. Magnetic field puts the particles, that is ions, into circular path, and high frequency electric field accelerates it. Right. Magnetic field puts the ion into circular path. High frequency electric field accelerates it. Frequency of frequency of frequency of charged particles is independent of its energy in a magnetic field. So magnetic field will help to make the path circular, and electric field increases the velocity. Accelerates means increases the velocity. And frequency of that charged particle does not depend upon frequency energy of magnetic field. This much you have to revise and know. Next class we will see construction, working. So far we have seen what is cyclotron, how it is going to function. So next class, its construction, diagram and working. That will complete our chapter completely. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Today is Wednesday, na? Tomorrow I want to keep one extra class for you all. Thursday. What time I can keep in the evening?
Only 9 to 10.
9 to 10. Others are comfortable with this time?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow 9 to 10. This cyclotron I will complete and start further, because as per today's target, we had to complete this. So 25 minutes I required to complete that, and then I will do further something. Because even I have to stick to the planner to complete your syllabus well in advance. So that's all for today. Tomorrow extra class 9 to 10 evening.